This tutorial is about the new features of automated daily checkout for dialysis consumables on RenalGenie. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Part 1. View the Dialysis Consumables list on HD Services page. The Dialysis Consumables list is a predefined list of items that are used during treatment for each patient according to the patient's access type, vascular or CVC. This feature allows the user to confirm the use of the consumable item directly during the HD treatment, and subsequently the item will be checked out from the inventory, reducing errors in inventory management. To view the Dialysis Consumables list on RenalGenie, let's go to the HD Services page. Click on this arrow to view the HD Services page. Scroll your page downwards, and you will be able to see the Dialysis Consumables section here. Click on this arrow to expand and view the list. And here is your Dialysis Consumables list. Part 2. Edit the Dialysis Consumables list from the Services page. To edit the consumables list, click here on the pencil icon. The system will open up Edit Dialysis Consumables window where user will be able to edit the item and its amount. The unit of measure is updated when the item selection is changed. For example, let's try to replace the first item here to see how the unit of measure is updated. Now we have bicarbonate concentrate with the unit of measure, canister stated. Let's replace this item with Almedico 2.1 HF. Upon selecting the new item, the unit of measure is updated to pieces accordingly. Now let's try to edit the amount for this item from 1 to 2. Not only that, user can also add more item to Dialysis Consumables by clicking on the Add Item button here. Clicking on the Add Item button will open up a new line where user can proceed with selecting the item from the drop-down list and specify its quantity accordingly. Once the editing is done, user have two options to save the changes. 1. Change for now, or 2. Change forever. Change for now will save the changes only for this HD treatment uniquely for this patient, and the consumables list item will return to initial predefined items and quantity for the next HD treatment. While change forever will save the changes for all future HD treatment uniquely for this patient. Let's select Change Forever to proceed. System prompt a confirmation window to change forever, click Proceed. And upon successful operation, RenalGenie prompt a message that service items have been changed. User may observe that the changes made will be applied to all future HD for this patient. Part 4. View the auto-generated daily checkout list. In this new feature of the RenalGenie inventory module, system will auto-generate a daily checkout list. RenalGenie, with its smart logic, assists the user by listing all the items to be checked out on the next treatment day based on the number of patients scheduled and their access type. The daily checkout list consists of the planned checkout quantity and confirmed checkout quantity. Planned checkout quantity are derived from the patient schedules, while the confirmed checkout quantity are summarized directly from the HD treatment, whereby any changes made by the user to the consumable list also be updated in the confirmed checkout quantity accordingly. Not only limited to the Dialysis Consumables list, any added services on the HD Services page such as new dialyzer or medication involving the usage of inventory items will be added to the auto-generated daily checkout list. For example, a new dialyzer DORA B18HF is added to this patient pre-HD page. And upon the completion of this patient's HD treatment, the dialyzer will also be included in the auto-generated daily checkout list. On the daily checkout page, click Open the checkout ID to see the items. Dialyzer DORA B18HF has been added to this list accordingly. Part 5. Confirm the auto-generated daily checkout. In Part 4, we have understand the difference of planned checkout quantity and confirmed checkout quantity. Now, we are going to see how the used items quantity, or the confirmed checkout quantity, is deducted from the inventory. To ensure that items quantity is deducted from the available items balance, user are required to confirm the daily checkout. Please bear in mind, the confirmation of the auto-generated daily checkout can only be done after the end of the current treatment day. User will notice that the Confirm Checkout button is disabled until the next treatment day. When the button is enabled, user may proceed with the confirmation by clicking on the Confirm Checkout button. System will prompt a confirmation window. Click Confirm to proceed. Upon the successful operation, the system will prompt a message that the daily checkout has been confirmed. Thank you for watching. Here is other video suggestion that you could watch from our tutorial playlist.